I have been so excited to tell everybody what's coming up for Bloom. I am going to be opening up early bird tickets very, very soon. And the only way to get it before everyone else is to be on the email list. You can sign up for my email list at the link in my bio, harvestretreats.com. This morning I was pulling a card from my Inner Compass deck just because I wanted a little extra intuition or guidance, and this is the card that I got. Just go. You already know what you need to do. Now is the time for action. Just go. You are worthy of living your dreams. Go chase them.